Okay, trying out Agentforce Vibes, and I've got a project. I want an OAuth token cleanup program. So every day I want it to run, and for it to clear out any OAuth tokens that have not been used in 6 weeks or more. We end up with a lot of people that have, go on holiday for up to 4 weeks. So 6 weeks seems a good compromise. And if they've not logged into a service, we just remove the OAuth tokens. We don't want that to be around. So I'm going to ask it to read at plan.md, which is what I've called the file, and build out the project. Let's see how it gets on. It's figured out quite a lot. It's figured out the custom metadata, what Apex it's going to do, what platform events it's going to do, the LWC Lightning application, the permissions, the packaging, and the tests. In here, I've stipulated that I want an LWC user interface in a Lightning app, that I want it to be SLDS2 compatible, that it's got to meet accessibility requirements. I want permissions that are granular. I don't want any underscores in API names, so it's going to be interesting to see whether it does put underscores in. Let's see. Ooh, and it's coding away. We've got packages going in. It's given a package name here with a version, which is good. OAuth cleanup. Oh, auto approve enabled. Yes, please. Save. Auto approve edits. I'm gonna tick. I don't want to keep clicking save for now. It's a test project. It can just build out. Do not do that in production. So we have metadata. Nice. I saw that little 2 o'clock in the morning default. Very, very nice for a daily. There you are. Look. Cron job. If you can't read that, it's like seconds, minutes, hours kind of thing in reverse order. I don't know why we have a placeholder to ignore, but cool. Another place object metadata, please ignore. Okay, I'll try my best. Deploy. Oh, what's this? Oh, we've got that platform event. Great. Wants to create a file, be my guest. Oh, we've got minutes, hours, days, a bit of sockle, a bit of cleanup. Very nicely laid out. Someone's been spending some time there. We'll check this out in a sec, but it's building. So this is the service that runs to actually do the cleanup. So we've got a service for the cleanup, and then we'll presumably have a batch job in order to do that. While that's doing that, I'm just going to click back. Curious. Oh, no, I'm not. We're on to the next file. I'll let it carry on. Yeah, here we are. Here's the scheduler that's going to run. So here's the schedule, and then it's going to call the service. Cool. Right, let's have a look. What else we got coming up? An invocable method. Oh, very nice. So we can just tell it to run when we want. That's cool. It would be interesting to check whether it's put in the right checks for permissions, because we asked for those permission sets to be put in. But I mean, these are things you should be checking anyway, whether it's a human, whether it's an agent, that they've been doing they've been done correctly. We have our aura coming in. So this is getting ready for the LWC. So this is the controller file. We'll check that out in a bit. My Lightning configurator. Let's see. Oh, look at all this. All these drop downs. Can't wait to play for it. This is genuinely something that I've wanted to exist for a long time. It took maybe half an hour, 45 minutes to write the plan out. And for vibe coding, I strongly believe you should always write a plan first. Get the plan right, and the AI agent can do the rest. And literally, all I asked for prompt-wise for it to read the plan file and build the project. That's it. Put everything you want in the plan. It can refer back to it. Don't do a really big prompt. try and put it in a file it can refer back to. And Markdown seems to be the syntax it really likes. JSON's great for data and things, but when you're coming to instructions, try and use Markdown and format it so it's as good for a human as it is for an AI agent. And don't over-stipulate things. Let it come up with its own thoughts. Because you're using Agentforce Vibes. This is meant to be the best practices of Salesforce, so get it to do its own thing. Right. Let's have a look. Also in my plan, I did stipulate that I wanted a Scratch org to test this out in, and even named what I wanted the Scratch org to be called. So I don't know if we get terminal commands run and whether it will actually execute that. So it'd be interesting to find out. But if I get a Scratch org at the end of it, I'll be very, very happy. I might have to assign myself the permissions though, these new permissions, in order to see it. Agentforce has approved 20 API requests. Would you like to reset the count and proceed with the task? Yeah. Don't stop there. We're having fun. Right, it's carrying on. This is the view permissions. So, yeah, this is now a cleanup service test. So a test for that cleanup service we created earlier. I say we. I've just been talking and letting it write all the code here. But yeah, we've been doing, definitely. Let's see, we've got cron, So it'd be interesting also to see what code coverage percentage we get out of this. Now, cards on the table, I've had a really bad run with Agentforce Vibes and spent like 4 to 6 weeks learning vibe coding. And the number one learn I've had from this is write a good plan. If nothing else, just write your plan in Markdown. Everything else comes off the back of it. They've been improving this product as well, so it's not just the plan on its own. This has had a lot of improvements as it's gone along. But you write a good, strong plan. Try and keep your session to about 20 minutes, because that seems to be the timeout before they kick you down to the core model. I think they're from the pro model, the free model. So you want to try and make sure it can get through everything in that one run. And I think I might be out of tokens now. Oh, it was stopping. Will it get all the way through for this project? Task complete. Key deliverables. This is looking all green. And we've got a README file. Here's the README file that explains what's going on this project, the key files in the project, how to authenticate, how to create a Scratch org, how to assign permissions, how to open the app afterwards, apply my schedules by going into the LWC or running this, usage, packaging, all the classes, complete description, rundown. Beautiful. Right. I'm going to go and have a look through the code.